Welcome to the YouTube channel. Here we will discuss some gate questions, and let's go to first question. Uh, Here I have taken I am starting from gate 2020 question paper, and here is the aptitude question. The question is ABC are real numbers. The quadratic equations ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, which is beta. Then the options are beta square is equal to ac. Option B is bq is equal to bc upon 2a square. C beta is equal to b upon a, and b square is not equal to 4ac. So let's start with the quadratic equation. The equation is a x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. If I here the roots are equal and denoted by beta, beta is equal to we know that for any quadratic equation, if this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation in this case, roots in this case, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here b is positive and here is negative. So let's do this minus b. Yeah, in this capital B is minus b, capital A is small a, and C is small c, capital C is small c. Comparing this with this equation. So as you can see, if I put this value in this equation, then the root beta is equal to minus of minus b plus or minus under root 4 minus b whole square minus, this is minus b whole square minus 4ac upon 2a. So because of both the roots are equal, for equal roots, let's further simplify this expression, plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. For this to be true, this root term should be 0. Then only the roots are real and equal. So for that, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So b square is equal to 4ac. So this equation, option D is eliminated. And now, if just remember this one equation we have, b square is equal to 4ac, and let me clear this display. Okay, so we got this b square minus b square is equal to 4ac, and we know that beta is equal to beta upon 2a. So b upon 2a is equal to, if I put beta value, which is under root 4ac upon 2a, then is equal to 4c under root upon 2 under root a. If we square both sides, b square is equal to 4c upon 4a. So this 4 cancel, c by a. So is there any There is not. Okay. If we further multiply it with beta, which is c upon 2a, c upon a into b upon 2a, then it's cb upon 2a square is equal to beta cube. Now I have multiplied both sides with beta, so beta square into beta is beta cube is equal to cb upon 2a square, which is nothing but, which is this option, b cube is equal to bc upon 2a square. So this is the right answer.